right, so I have here Gregory. He is one of the device masters for the January 2022 class. It's really hard to say that still. It's
Yeah.
a new year. So new year, new start. What you got in store for this next year?
So I just completed the Device Master course, which was the cell phone mobile repair,
Mm-hmm.
as well as the game console repair
Mm-hmm.
and computer repair. And what I plan on to do with the knowledge that I just gained is to start a mobile tech support company named Northbound Tech Support.
Nice.
And yeah.
All right, so you did come in with a little bit of experience. You want to speak on that? Did that? Do you feel like that was necessary? Did that aid you, or do you
Mhm.
feel like you still were able to learn a lot?
So yeah, I actually came here with 5 years of IT support, IT specialist experience,
Hmm.
and what I learned here at this 11 days course was more than I learned in the last 5 years.
That's awesome. That's
Like
awesome.
literally, the instructors were amazing. Tabitha, amazing. Nicole, amazing. Michelle, Wonder Woman. Like, oh, it was like amazing here.
Yes, yes.
And I was just so appreciative that I was able to take the opportunity to come here.
Yeah, well, I'm really excited to see what you have in store. I know you've talked a lot of
Yeah.
things that you're wanting to get started. I'm super excited to see what you have in store and see your growth in the industry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm excited. All right. Thank you.
Thank
You
you.
all have to come here. You have to
Yes.
come here.
Please do. Please do.
Yeah.